Hello everyone, welcome to Travel and Adventure where we go and see beautiful places. Today I would like you to come along with me to this beautiful trail for walking, jogging and biking. This trail is located in beautiful city of Newport Beach, California. We will walk through gorgeous nature preserve. The area is very soothing and scenic. The trail covers about 10 miles in total, but don't worry, I wouldn't cover the whole 10 miles because I'm not that much in shape to do 10 miles. We will just do a couple. Okay, so come along with me and let's have some fun and enjoy our walk.
Yes, enjoy.
Share it with people. Go what? Yeah, you hold
Yeah. got like very like, and I think now it's, you know, it's changing.
My gratitude for your time. I appreciate your visit and support of my channel. Please like, share and subscribe. Stay safe and God bless you. See you soon in the next adventure. Have a good one.